What's up, everybody? Wait, no. I keep on forgetting my new intro. Okay. What is up, my Poke Boys and Poke Girls? My name's the Superior Master, and welcome back to another video. Today it's Easter, and here, let's just take the tag off real quick. Okay, so, today's Easter, and, well, you can already tell, this is like the Easter spread, so let me just read the back off. It's called the Houdini Easter egg trunk. So it has 20 ounces. OZ is ounces, right? Oh, it's 2 pounds. Okay. So the net weight is 2 pounds. Okay. So the contents have candy, right? Which is 20 ounces of candy, 10 ounces of freeze bars, 7.09 ounces of chocolate, and 6 ounces of popcorn. Yes, this thing is a beast. So let's just jump right into it. Am I right? So first thing, you have to undo the bow. Just gonna see what's in it. Right? Jeez, whoever made this really doesn't want people to get into it unless they own it. Okay, how am I gonna break that open? I'm gonna pause the video and we'll come back with some scissors. Alright, we're back. Was this even filming the entire time? Yep, it was. Okay, so let's just jump right into it and open it up. We're gonna have to do this fast and within 9 minutes. So we're just gonna open this up. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Jeez, it's stuck. Here we go. So we're just gonna undo the tape right here. Right? And we'll pull this right out. And this is the first set right here. So right here we've got some Sunkist smoothie bars. I'm gonna pick that up. This is a limited edition vintage 2020 version. I'm just kidding. It's just a lollipop. This is an Airheads. This is a Butterfingers. This is an M&M's. This is a Reese's, and this is Sixlets. Don't ask what that is. I don't know either. And this is a chocolate rabbit. We all know what a chocolate rabbit is. Let's move that aside. Got the mother load cake. Oh man. This is some delicious cotton candy with some fun dip and some fruit jellies. So you guys can see it better. Yeah, it's that. Oh, there's a maze on the back too. Not much to say about this. Oh, that's it. Okay. That was a lot of stuff, guys. It also comes with an epic box. Let's see. So it's basically just fake grass, as you can see. Open up the crate case. And yeah, that was it. There was silica gel in there. Don't eat that. I'm serious, guys. This is just the nutritional facts about the Skittles and the M&M's. So that was it. Nice. So watch out for the creepers, stay away from love, and keep your diamonds close to you. You probably couldn't hear me the entire time because that. But thanks for watching. See ya.